Hello friends, today we have to see organic preparation, that is acetonolide from aniline. So we have to synthesize today acetonolide from aniline. Now we have to see the complete preparation of acetonolide from aniline. So this is here aniline. Aminobenzene is called as aniline. When benzene attached to amino group, NH2 group, so this is called as aniline. When aniline reacts with acetic anhydride, so this is CH3COOCO, this is anhydride group, and this is CH3CO, this is the acetyl group is there. So this is acetic anhydride. When it reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of catalytic amount of H2SO4. What is meant by catalytic amount? Just few drops, 1 or 2 drops of sulfuric acid we need here in this reaction. Then after this addition we have to heat this reaction mixture for 20 minutes in a water bath. Then acetonolide will be formed there. Now this is acetonolide. This hydrogen of this aniline is replaced by using acetyl group. So this is called as acetylation of aniline. This compound is called as acetonolide. Now here what happened in the mechanism, if you see the brief mechanism here, this sulfuric acid giving proton because it is strong acid. Now this anhydride oxygen catches this proton, then this bond get weakened. So the bond dissociation energy of this bond get decreased. Now here this lone pair attacks on this carbonyl group. Electron density goes to oxygen, return from oxygen, and this bond get cleaved. So we get here CH3COOH as a byproduct. Thus CH3COOH. So this is acetic acid is lost as a byproduct, and here this acetyl group is attached to nitrogen in case of this. So here we get acetonolide from this aniline. This is acetylation reaction. We need here acetic anhydride as a reagent of acetylation reaction. So in this way, here we have to see synthesis of acetonolide. This aniline, I have taken aniline in the beaker. See here, this is aniline. We have to take around 2 ml of aniline with the help of measuring cylinder. So I have to take 2 ml aniline. This is 2 ml. So I have to take this in a conical flask. I have to pour this in a conical flask. This is called as conical flask. I have taken 2 ml of aniline in a conical flask. Then I have to add acetic anhydride. This is acetic anhydride. This is the reagent for the acetylation. With the help of other measuring cylinder, we have to take 6 ml acetic anhydride. So here we need to pour this acetic anhydride to the aniline with stirring. So I have to stir it vigorously. After stirring, this is here concentrated sulfuric acid. Here 2 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. This is the catalytic amount of sulfuric acid we have to add for this. Now I have to shake it. Then try to heat this reaction mixture in a water bath for 20 minutes. So this is here water bath. In this water bath, we have to heat this reaction mixture for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, reaction will be completed and the conversion of acetonolide from aniline will take place. So after 20 minutes, we have to stop the heating. So once we stop heating, we have to place it on stand for attaining room temperature. Then we have to pour this into ice cold water. After 20 minutes, when we pour this in ice cold water, the solid precipitation of acetonolide will be there. So we have to filter that on the suction pump or through the normal filtration, and we can dry the product and we can take it sweat. Now students, 20 minutes are over. So almost aniline is converted into acetonide. So conversion is completed. This reaction mixture we have to pour into water with stirrer. So when we stir this, when we pour this in the beaker, this beaker is having some distilled water. So I have to pour this. First of all, I have to decrease this temperature by stirring. Now I have to pour this in the distilled water. If the acetanilide get formed here, then we can say conversion is completed. Here white color solid formation is we can observe. So this white color solid is nothing but acetanilide. So our complete preparation from aniline, we have done this through the acetylation reaction. Now we have to filter this. We can filter this on the Buckner funnel, or we can filter this to the normal filtration. Here this is the filter paper, this is the funnel. Through this funnel and this filter paper, we have to filter this. We have to pour this in the funnel with the help of this glass rod. Few minutes. We have to transfer this. We have to remove this product from the beaker with the help of again some quantity of distilled water. We have to shake this and again so here we have filtered acetanilide to the normal filtration. We have used here simple filter paper for the filtration. Almost most of the filtrate is filtered here through this funnel. Now we can take this product here on the another filter paper. We can dry this product on IR lamp. After 30 minutes to 40 minutes, this product will be dried completely. So after that, we have to take its weight and then we have to find out percentage practical yield. Before that, we need to calculate theoretical yield and we have to compare our practical yield, that is weight of product, with theoretical yield, so we can get the percentage of practical yield. So this is about the preparation of acetanilide from aniline. So we have done this preparation with the help of acetylation reagent, that is acetic anhydride, and we have converted aniline to acetanilide. So this is white solid is nothing but acetanilide. We have to take its melting point after complete drying of this product. So in this way, here we have seen preparation of acetanilide from aniline. Thank you.